guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show. I apologise for the background noise. We are outside in an effort to get as many videos done as possible. It is unavoidable. I have tried to limit my filming outside. I hope you will forgive me this faux pas for today. Anyway, going to give you my stock picks for the day and my reasons why. Now, we start off with amazing.com. Now, I always say when it goes under 3100, it's worth picking up. And they've just announced something which has brought Spotify down. They're going into the podcast, not just in the US, but the UK and Europe and Asian markets. So I think the fact that it's dropped on the back of this news, when it didn't drop, if you remember from my video that the Amazon basics were catching fire, it didn't drop then, but it's dropping now. I think it's worth going into. Anyway, anything under 31 I'm picking up. Spotify has dropped 1 to 2%, as I said, on the back of Amazon's news, but I still think Spotify is the one to go. As I said before, I recently started a podcast, and I have an app which automatically uploads the podcasts to the best ones on the market. The first one actually goes to Spotify. Then after a certain length of time, goes to another one. It eventually goes to Apple podcast. But the thing is, I don't think Amazon's going to take over their market share anytime soon, just because they're entering it. This has come down quite a bit from their highs, and I think it's, as I said earlier, I think they've suddenly reached a turning point. The Joe Rogan thing, among others, I do think, considering they're also going into the audible sector as well, I originally thought that these were overvalued. But Spotify is an app that most people, when they first went in smartphones, they had it on their phones. If you're working all day and you can't keep touching your phone, Spotify is something you usually have. Not everyone, but anyway. And don't forget to check out my podcast if you. And don't forget to hit that lovely like button, almost as lovely as me. Helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Become part of the Savvy Money Show family. We give each other hints and tips and updates about stocks and shares we talk about on the show. As well as that, you can ask me to look into any share you want, and I don't charge a Discord fee or ask for a Patreon. All I do ask is for you to comment in the box below and hit the like button, even if you disagree with me, especially if you disagree with me. I like a debate, and if I do something wrong, I want you to call me on it so I can improve the channel. And why not check out the links in the description below? There's lots of offers. I've used each one of them myself. I wouldn't give you links if I haven't checked them out myself. If you're looking for a free trading platform which should trade your stocks and shares, you know, you can get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. A free trade only requires a £1 deposit. The others require £100 or dollars, depending on which one you go for. Stake has over 3,500 US stocks on their books, which is the biggest one outside of the US. Whereas Trading 212 is one of the best and easiest platforms to use. But as I said, I use all three. Anyway, on with the show. This is more of a swing trade because of FedEx and what happened. Now, if you remember, I spoke about UPS quite a while ago when it was just under $100, and it's gone on a run since then. It's not one that I'm going into at the moment, but if it dips, I may consider it as a swing trade. Still, we'll keep an eye on it. Upwork. Now this is one that I keep adding to my position because it keeps trading sideways, and it should be raking out to the skies. I reckon it keeps testing resistance, and I think once it breaks through that 16 and that 17 level, there'll be no stopping it. So I'll carry on picking it up while it's down here and cheap, and then when it goes off, I'll go in there. I was asked about Encino. I have actually got a limit buy price of 30 on it. Cheeky, I know. I don't think it'll hit 30, but even at this price, it's only because I don't have the spare cash to start throwing at something at this level. It's on a bit of a downward trend. I think it's a bargain at this price, and I would have no problem picking up at this price, but I would want to see some sort of recovery before going into it. However, if I had some spare cash, I'd have no problem taking position. I was asked about JFrog. In my opinion, it's overvalued. Good company, but I would wait for a pullback before going into it. I hope it's been informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the box below. I apologise for the background noise, but I had no choice. I'll try and go to a quiet place next time, and I'll see you in the next video. That's all for now.